Okay, so today's actually our last day in Scotland, and we're just at the entrance to Dundee station. It's time to film some trains. I'm heading back to London, by the way. I've got it on camera. We have some plants outside the station. This is what we noticed when we got off on Tuesday.
Yeah.
There's the Malmason Hotel. Or is that a hotel? My auntie Preda's joining us. Hello! Okay, our first port of call is the 7:25 service to Aberdeen. Well, I'm guessing she might have come from King's Cross or something, or could be Euston, somewhere. Recycling centre and on the platforms here, and okay, incoming now. We have 7:25 a.m. service to Aberdeen, and this is worked by a ScotRail. Shit. Does that say Horsham? No, it's going to Aberdeen. And this is worked by a pair of class 170s. Hey, blow it! He waved. Oh, smells like traffic firm. She's being held here at a red signal, and she should be on the move shortly. Departing now is the 7:25 a.m. service to Aberdeen, worked by a pair of ScotRail class 170s. This is a 170 395. She was running about 5 minutes early, so that's why she's being held here. One thing to point out is that this station has 4 platforms, 2 on this side and 2 on that side. These are the 2 centre, but these platforms here are for trains terminating here. One thing to tell you is that when I first got to Scotland, I went and met Preda at King's Cross, and we took it from there, and we just got off here. It took us about nearly 5 hours and 48 minutes just to get here. However, if you're planning on going to Scotland by train, go to King's Cross instead, as it's quicker. I wouldn't recommend going to Euston, because as that might take a bit longer. So, because the West Coast Main Line, or let's just say Avanti West Coast trains, they go from Euston, and then they go around the loop, which takes a bit longer. It takes about a couple of hours longer. I don't know the exact route. I'll Google it up. Okay, what do we have arriving? We have something coming in. We have a ScotRail. We have a ScotRail class. What is it? Oh, damn it. I think she's going back to Edinburgh Waverley. I'm currently on platform 1, which is the southbound platform, and over there is platform 4, which is for trains going north towards Aberdeen, or let's say Glasgow. Okay, so just to give you the heads up that there has been a fault with the train in front of this one, so this one's going to be held here for a short period of time. Hopefully it should be moving shortly. Okay, getting ready to depart now. Is the ScotRail service to Edinburgh Waverley or somewhere? And this is worked by a class, a pair of class 731. Thank you! Right, and she's off to Edinburgh Waverley with no blind. What a real shame. Just wait until she's out of sight. And I smell something cooking or burning. It's making me feel hungry now. Yep, she's changing tracks. Oh, I thought she was going to head down the southbound. Head down that track, but it doesn't matter. Maybe that's a siding, but I don't know. Okay, turning up, we have another class 158, and this is worked by a ScotRail service to Aberdeen or somewhere. And she's coming right round the bend. Oh shoot! Is she moving? Yep. She had her. She's had her headlights on. Well, they were red, but now they've switched colour. Switched to white, which means she's on the move. Just about ready. Sorry guys, it is quite cold today, so I don't think she's moving. No. And we have another one about to arrive. sidings. Oh, she's working on this side. No, not on this side. I thought she was going in the siding, but no, she's not. Oh, she's terminating here. And this is worked by a 170 430 coming from Edinburgh Waverley. I'll try and get her to sound it. Oh, come on! All right, you don't have to. Okay, so the class 158 is finally on the move. Shit. And this service. This is a class 158. 731, and she's terminating here. Sound the horn! Hey, sound it! Sound the horn! Okay, getting ready to depart now for Edinburgh Waverley. It's the ScotRail service being worked by this pair of 170 430. Yeah. Take care. Sorry guys, I zoomed in too close. Safe trip to Edinburgh. Please wave me back. Yep. Okay, so the time now is 3 minutes past 8 in the morning. So the next train should be here very, very shortly, and it's going to Edinburgh Waverley. Okay, arriving now. We have a 170 service going on a ScotRail service to Edinburgh Waverley. Let's zoom right in. What, 174.34. Oh, she's going to Glasgow Central. And also we have... Oh! Where did this one come from? Where did this Class 158 come from? Oh, she's going to Arbroath. Arbroath. Off to Glasgow Queen Street. Thank you! Thank you! Sorry, I thought she was going to... I thought she was going to Edinburgh Waverley, and then I thought she was going to Glasgow Central, but no, she's not. She's going to Glasgow Queen Street. I really need to learn to open my eyes a bit. Oh, hello. What do we have that's just arrived? We have a 170 going back to Edinburgh Waverley. It's just arrived. Okay, departing now is the ScotRail Class 170 to Edinburgh Waverley. She's moving. Let's get a horn. Thank you! Alright, all the best, take care! $170,036. What? 173.96 I meant, sorry. And it looks like we're about to have a Freightliner. Sorry guys, I was over the line a bit. Waved anyway. That's well freight. Oh, it's only how many wagons is it pulling? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's only got 5. Train of 5. It needs to be longer than that. Sorry guys, I just accidentally pressed the stop button. The train I'm getting back is the 8 minutes past 9 service to King's Cross, and this will be an LNER. A Zoomer, I hope. Hello, what do we have here about to terminate? Oh, we have a 170.431 from stop. Stop, look, listen, beware of trains. Thank you! Yeah! Yeah, it's just arriving. Right, getting ready to depart now. Is this service to Edinburgh Waverley? She's reversing. Take care! Oh, damn it. She's still a bit... the signal's still red. And we have an HST class 43 that's just arrived. Should have gone up there, but doesn't matter now. And it's an intercity class 43 from... Where's it going? Where's it going to? I don't know. Alright, going back to wherever it is you're going to. Edinburgh Waverley. Cars have been separated. Hey, sound it please, mate! Sound the horn! Sound the horn! Oh well, never mind. Oh well, never mind. Hold on, I'm going to do it one more time. Thank you, thank you. Where's she off to? Oh, there's... I think she might be out of service. Wow. Alright, final train of the evening. I might include a bonus. And this one's going back to Glasgow Queen Street. This is the one we saw earlier. And as she's entered, I'm gonna wrap up. Don't forget to turn on the post notifications, like, comment, share and subscribe. Firstly, I'd like to recommend this for Andrew Magnus, Jacob Peake, Patrick Saunders, Jet Railways 243, Peter Shaw, Maya, aka Madam Gosling, and Sam's Trains, so they'd film here one day. My next stop's going to be London Waterloo, so I hope we see you there. As for the journey video, it is still going to be the district line from Upminster to Wimbledon. Alright, okay, getting ready to depart now. Hey! Oh, blow it! Blast it out! Come on! Our train home. Good night.